you own a home that needs a lot of work and selling it feels overwhelming, well, I want to show you that you have more options than you may think. One of those simple options is where we buy your home directly. There's no repairs, no showings, no waiting, just a fair offer, a clear number, and you choose when you want to close. That's it. So let me explain how it works and why it might be right for you. Hey, I'm Jason Oliver with Envision Real Estate Solutions right here in the Shenandoah Valley, Virginia. We work with homeowners every single day who are trying to figure out what to do with a property that feels like a burden. And our job is simple. Show you every option and let you pick the one that fits. Let's talk about the cash offer first. A cash offer is exactly what it sounds like. We look at your home, we figure out what it would take to fix it up, and we make you an offer based on that. You don't have to fix anything. You don't have to clean it out. You don't have to have strangers walk through your home for weeks. You just say yes or no. If you say yes, we pick a closing date and that works for you. And on that day, you get paid. Simple as that. Now, I want to be upfront about something. When a home needs a lot of work, the offer is going to be lower than what it might sell for if it were all fixed up and listed on the open market. And that's not us trying to be, unfair. That's just the math. So think about it this way. If a roof needs to be replaced, that might cost $10,000. If the kitchen needs to be redone, that could be an additional $20,000. If there are plumbing problems, foundation issues, bathrooms need remodeled, or old electrical and damaged floors, every one of those things cost real money to fix. And whoever buys the home is going to have to pay for all of it. So the cost has to come out of that offer. That's not just us picking some lowball random number. That's just honest math, and we'll always walk you through exactly how we arrive at that number. There's going to be no surprises. You deserve to understand where that number comes from. A cash offer makes the most sense when speed and simplicity matter the most. Maybe you've inherited a property and you just want it handled. Maybe you're going through a divorce, a job loss, or some health issues, and you need to move on. Maybe the home has been sitting empty and has become more of a headache than an asset. Whatever the reason is, if what you need the most is certainty and a clean close, this option was made for you. It's not for everyone, and we'll always show you the other options too. But for the right situation, it's one of the most valuable things that we offer. Download our free seller's options guide in the description. It lays out all 4 options side by side in plain language, so you can see what makes the most sense for your situation. There's no cost, there's no pressure, and if your home needs work and selling it feels complicated, it really doesn't have to be. A cash offer is clean, fast, and honest. We show you the number, we explain it, you make the decision. So schedule a free, no-pressure conversation using the link in the description. We're here whenever you're ready. So give this a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for more plain talk real estate every week. See you in the next one.